What's up, ATL? Teddy Tips is in the house. Look, if you go to the airport and do not get a ride out of there, these are the places I go to if I do not get a ride out the airport after dropping off. And I do not like sitting at the airport. It's just, I'm not sitting there to wait, man. I'm not waiting for another ride, and it's just not happening. All right, it's just, to me, it's too long. If I don't get nothing out of there, I'm going. All right, now these are the places I will go to, depending on the time of the day. All right, Cleveland Ave is one of my go-tos, and the old Brave Stadium is a nice go-to. All right. And when I say the old Brave Stadium, you have the parking lots over there where the old, where the DDS used to be. And plus, if you go over the bridge, it's a big parking lot. I think it's for like the policemen. But the parking lot is empty, and I sit in there a lot, all right? Where else I can go in? I also do Edgewood and Auburn Avenue. All right, so sometimes I just go straight back to the city and do Edgewood and Auburn. But if you don't want to go so far up, Forest Park, the MARTA station is always lit, man. You can sit there and do rides a lot, back and forth, back and forth. That station stay lit, man. Don't forget West End, if you guys familiar with that side, if you don't mind doing that side. Matter of fact, all those south sides, if you don't mind doing that, all those, Cleveland Ave, West End, Old Brave Stadium, if you don't mind doing those sides of town, you good, man. Definitely West End and Cleveland Ave. You already know what that is. If it's at night, I'll go to Marlin. Don't forget Marlin Ave. You know Marlin be popping. I think it's called East Atlanta Village. So that little village, East Atlanta Village, where all those bars at, that's a good place to post up. You know you're gonna get a ride out of there. Those are pretty much spots where I end up at. Sometimes I do University, but I don't do University, you know? Sometimes I turn the app on around University, and I end up getting something in the city or off of University or by the old Brave Stadium or West End. It can go either way, you know. But those are pretty much the spots I use. Those, but my main spots will be Cleveland Ave, West End, or Edgewood and Auburn, depending what time of day it is. All right. But if there's a lot of traffic, I will stop at Cleveland Ave, which is probably 3 or 4 exits up after the airport. And I'll sit there and go from there, you know. You want to hit those spots after the airport, you good to go. But make sure you out there, because the money's out there. That's why we out there. Smile up. We in the A, the busiest airport in the world. We getting it. Be safe.